Hello dear friends, today I will show you how to create Sidebar in Android Studio. I have already written the code and it will look like this with contact activity, help activity, and settings activity. So let's go. First of all, you need to add dependency, material design dependency in your Gradle file. Material design dependency allows us to use DrawerLayout and navigation view in our project. Then create menu folder and then add Drawer navigation XML file in menu folder to write items that must be in our Drawer navigation. In Drawer navigation menu XML file we have 3 items: contact, help and settings. Then go to your activity main and then add DrawerLayout in your XML root. And it adds as DrawerLayout too. Inside DrawerLayout, create navigation view and pass our Drawer navigation menu file here. This menu Drawer navigation we have created here. Then add header layout in layout folder here. This Drawer header is our header for Drawer navigation. It contains backgrounds, images and text. It's here. In Drawer header we have image view and text view. It looks like this. This is our Drawer header. Please don't forget to add ID to navigation view and ID to DrawerLayout. When you are finished with it, go to main activity to write sidebar logic. Define DrawerLayout and action bar drawer toggle. Initialize this. We haven't created toggle and we don't need to do this. We will initialize it here. And toggle will help us to open or close our DrawerLayout. So, then add set navigation item selected listener. In contact, help and settings classes, you have to write the same logic as you use here, but with different IDs. For example, in activity contact, for new activity, you will write the same DrawerLayout and navigation view, but with different IDs. In contact class, write the same code as you use in main activity, but also with different IDs. This nav2 belongs to activity contact. This nav belongs to activity main. You have to write this code for all activities that you want to have DrawerLayout. So that's all.